Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be unboxing my OnePlus 6 as well as two of the cases. So I did order the OnePlus 6 Mirror Black with the 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, and then I did one of the OnePlus case bundles as well, which is why it came in a box like this. So when we open it up, we have the first case that I got, which is the Karbon case. Carbon protective case, and then I also got the red silicone case. So red silicone case for that, and then right here we have the phone itself. So the OnePlus 6 actually does come with a silicone case in the box, which is really nice of OnePlus, as well as a pre-installed screen protector. So you don't necessarily need to order accessories, but if you want to have a case that's a little bit nicer, I would definitely go ahead and pick one up. I'm also going to put my referral code in the description. When you order a OnePlus 6 using the referral code, that gets you $20 towards an accessory. So you can save a little bit of money there and get yourself an additional dash charger or case for your OnePlus 6 when you order it. So opening it up, on the top here we have the OnePlus 6 itself, which is snapped into this kind of plastic thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And then you also get your red and white dash charging USB-C cable and your dash charging wall piece. You do have to have both of these to dash charge, because the actual dash charging chip and stuff like that is in the wall adapter itself, not in the phone, so you can't fast charge it without a dash charger. And you also need the thicker dash charging USB-C cable to take advantage of that functionality. So if you're planning on dash charging, if you want to use that feature everywhere, make sure you pick up an additional one of these to keep somewhere else, your car, or an additional room at your desk, something like that. I'm going to go and take the phone off. So there's a pull tab on the bottom here, it just pulls right out. And then in here, like I said, you do have your silicone case as well as your SIM eject tool. So here is your quick start guide, stuff like that. Tells you how to get your SIM card in there and get the phone all set up. Don't need that. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the case. So it's kind of like a charcoal, like a clear charcoal, just flexible case. And let's see one. There are OnePlus stickers somewhere. So, yep, right there. So you do get 3 OnePlus stickers. You get the logo, Shout on OnePlus, and a Never Settle sticker. So pretty cool. Going to go ahead and show you guys the phone. So here it is. Like I said, this is the Mirror Black. A little notice about the NFC chip and SIM card tray. Tells you to place the SIM card on the SIM card tray, not directly into the device. Take that off. That's your 2 IMEIs for your 2 SIM slots. Doesn't feel like there's any plastic on the back. Like I said, it does come with a built-in screen protector. I don't like the plastic screen protector, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. But you can leave that on if you wish, just to protect the device. But yep, no additional things on the back there. Really nice feeling phone. It feels like a premium device with that glass back. The Mirror Black is going to be a fingerprint magnet though, so if you don't like fingerprints, I do recommend you pick up a case like this is the one that came with it. Not a bad case if you don't want to spend any additional money, but you're saving so much money getting this device that I would definitely pick up a protective case like one of these. Like I said, I'm going to leave my link in the description, the referral link, so I get some points off this towards accessories, and you get $20 off some accessories as well. So this has been Colin with Techout unboxing the OnePlus 6. I'm going to get this all set up, and then I will do another video once the device is all set up and ready to go. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.